Here we go. It's time. The hunt begins. We're here for some werewolves, some wolves, and I think there's some vampires. We got the draft boosters, which were interestingly the same price as the set boosters. So why not go draft? Let's see. My hand is a little messed up currently, but at least I'm not wearing the brace so that you take pity on me. I can only use my index and these two fingers. You can see it's kind of bruised, but anyways, time for the hunt. Look at Red and 7. All right, let's go. How does this work? All right, Pax Betrayal, Shipwreck Shifter, No Way Out. Oh, I love that one. Bramble Arbor, Clarion Cathars, Raised Figgy, Eaten Alive, Bait Hook Angler, and then we got a Dreadhound, Corpse Cobble, Death Bonnet Sprout, and Deserted Beach with a nice island. Ooh, whoa, what's that? Pithy Needle and foil. Damn, that's a good start. All right, pack number 2. Does this have like a... Maybe I'm just bad at opening packs now. Let's see. Falcon Abomination, Blade Brand, Tapping at the Window, Electric Revelation, Storm Rider Spirit, Sun Gold Barrage, Burn the Accursed, Cathar Commando. Oh, that's the special art. We got Contortionist Troop, Play with Fire, and a Hostile Hotel. Why am we getting just lands in my rare spot? Ghoulish Procession. So that goes over there. That's trash. Come on, Wizards. Put in extra cards that mean nothing. It's like you want us to proxy stuff. Alright. Duress, Might of the Old Ways. Crossroads, Candle Guide, Flip the Switch, Morkrut, Behemoth, Gavoni Silversmith, Festival Crasher, and Shadow Beast Sighting with a Search Party Captain and Harvesttide Infiltrator and Harvesttide Assailant. Let's see. Loyal Griff, Infernal Grasp, Mysterious Tome, and then a Bloodline Culling. Nice. Let's see. Let's go here. We got a Beast and an Island. Candlelight Cavalry, Soul Guide Griff, Consider, Siege Zombie, Plummet, Falcon Mouth Perforator? I don't know. Lambhold Carrier, Locked in the Cemetery, Gavoni Trapper, and Lunark Veteran. Then we got a Fading Hope, Faithful Bending, Covert Cut Purse, and then a Croaking Counterpart. ribbit, forest and spider. I do kind of like the special art cards. They're kind of cool. But I wish I saw more of them. Flare of Faith, Crossroads, Otherworldly, Zombie, Candle Trap, Ecstatic Awakener, Necrosynthesis, Dawnheart Mentor, Spell Rune Painter. That's pretty cool. The Selitus. Plains and the Ooze. I do like these lands. They're like not. See? Yeah, it is kind of glossy along the lines of the lands. Don't look. Novice Occultist, Harvesttide Sentry, Neonate, Unblinking, Blood Pact, Ardent, Dawnheart, and then a Candle Grove Witch. Okay, that one goes over here. Devonic Dawnguard, Root Coil Creeper. That's kind of cool. Spells. Yeah. Overwhelmed. Ooh, whoa. That's a special rare. Nice. Some guy just played that against me and beat the crap out of me in arena. I don't like it. This Winterthorn Blessing. It's pretty dang good. +1/+1 counter, and then tap a creature they don't control, which was my creature. Okay, other side. That's not working. All right, Bounding Wolf, Blessed Defiance, Rotten Reunion, Pestilent Wolf, Falling Wilds. Don't need that. Open Organ Hoarder, Homestead Courage, Bird Admirer, Phantom Carriage, Putrefying Dragon, Join the Dance, Graveyard Trespasser, and a Graveyard Glutton. Let's see if we can get the special. Yeah, you can kind of see that right there. It's like glossy on the edge pieces. Looks really good. Probably, no, I'm not gonna say anymore. I like them. That's enough. They're better than the last lands they just made. I don't know why they're making so many rare lands though. It seems kind of odd. It's like, don't you want to actually have people get the things to play with? Nah, they just want people to pay all the money. Hungry for More, Brood Weaver, Beloved Beggar. Wow. Exile. Flying Vigilance 4/4 for 5/6. Okay. Yeah, Curse of Shaken Faith is pretty good. And then we got an island, a wolf. I'm feeling all these extra cards are gonna make me say some things that don't make any sense. Yeah, I didn't know where I was going with that. Let's see. Morbid Opportunist, Rite of Oblivion, Flame Channeler, and Primal. Oh, that one's good. Primal Adversary. Forest and a foil Silver Bolt. Yeah, that goes there. That doesn't go there. So it's Renin 7 now, not Renin 6, which is one of the mythics in this set. Oh, Duels, Mountain Dread Knight, Gathering Sellers, Dual Craft Trainer, Thermal Alchemist, Burly Breaker, and a Willow Geist. Almost done with the first row. That was ineffective. Right, No Way Out, Bramble, Duress, Timberland, Revenge, Clarion Cathars, Bait Hook Angler, and then we got a Scab Wrangler, Dawnheart Wardens, Delver of Secrets. Ooh, Liesa, Forgotten Archangel. And a Mountain. Alright, last one in the row. The first row on the left. Silver Bolt, Falcon, Might of the Old Ways. Hedge Witch's Mask. That's a little much. Tireless Hauler, Turn the Earth. Dryad's Revival, Mystic Skull, and then a Dire Strain Rampage. This is pretty good, pretty good. Oh, and a Blessed Defiance. Nice. Howl of the Hunt. Component Collector, Crawl from the Cellar, Duel for Dominance, Raise the Figgy, Revenge of the Drowned, Morning Patrol, and then we got a Ghoulish Procession, Grizzly Ghoul, Ambitious Farmhand, you know, just to burn down the house. Forest, a Clue, and all that jazz. Okay. So it was a little odd seeing all this draft boosters for the same price after all the talk of they're gonna be so much more expensive, blah blah blah. Shady Traveler, I like this guy. Stalking Predator, that's about right. Don't go in the city, guys, you might run into a werewolf. Ritual of Hope, Thermo Alchemist, Vengeful Strangler, and a Consuming Bloob. Ooh, Candle Grove Witch. There's the. It's pretty good. Foily action in a new art style. Shipwreck, Timberland, Silver, Falcon, Vampire, Interloper, Might of the Old Ways, Sun Gold, Vampire, Eaten Alive, Bait Hook Angler, and we got Phantom Carriage, a Winterthorn Blessing. Jeez, I can't read. The Outland Liberator. We got a Sun Gold Sentinel. packs. I'm not dropping them. Hedge Witch's Mask. Devious Cover-Up. Cavar Commando. Shadow Beast Sighting. Tireless Hauler. Oh, Moon Silver Key. Borrowed Time. Blade Stitched Scab. Suspicious Stowaway. Swamp. And a bird. Beard. Alright, flip the switch. Siege Zombies. Jack-o'-lantern. More Crypt. Search Party. Locked in Cemetery. Tavern Ruffian. Stromkirk Blood Thief. Lunar Frenzy. Devoted Graphkeeper. And then Can't Stay Away. These damn cats. They just can't stay away. Okay, let's look at that again. Return target creature card and a value 3 or less from your graveyard to the battlefield. It can't. If this creature would die, exile its dead. And I can do it again. And I'll do it again. Alright. Let's see what we got in this pack. Path. Falcon. Bat Whisperer. Cavoni Trapper. Dawnheart Rejuvenator. That guy's mask is pretty deadly looking. He's gonna get you. Alright, Odric's Outrider, Unnatural Moonrise, Mystic Skull, and a Briar Bridge Tracker. That's pretty good. I've gotten that in some drafts. We got Archive Haunt, which is an Overwhelmed Archivist. Wait, that was backwards. Weird. Maybe they don't know which, maybe they print them backwards. Or something weird is happening. They don't have a way to know the orientation after printing or something. What the fuck? I don't know what I just did. Ooh, Diagraph Horde, Blessed Defiance, Galling Silversmith, Hobbling Zombies, Nibblegist, Intruder, Rise of the Ants, Covetous, Castaway, Slaughter Specialist. Nice. You just get a free creature to kill. Or sacrifice. Having some pack difficulty, sorry. Neonate, Unruly, Brimstone, Organ Hoarder, Field of Ruin. This is only in the packs for one reason. I guess we'll put it here. Then we got Sacred Fire, Fang, Blade, Brigand, Wake to the Slaughter, Dawnheart Rejuvenator foil, Startle, don't startle me. Bounding Wolf, Blood Pact, Homestead Courage, Defenestrate, throw them out the window. The chaplain would perhaps have found some small comfort had he known that the replacement window would be named in his honor. So sweet. Power 2 or less. Boulder and Ambusher. Vampire Socialite. And Curse of Leeches. Swamp of Spirit. Take a quick pause. Alright, and we're back. Had to start charging my phone, which is going to be a problem because it's in the way currently. Alright, Pestilent Wolf, Otherworldly Gaze, Olivia's Midnight Ambush. God damn it, Olivia. What are you doing at the midnight hour? Just ambushing. On Moonraider Slash, Mounted Dreadnought, Harvest Tide, Infiltrator. Then we got Sunset Revelry, Clear Shot, Baneblade Scoundrel, and a Grafted Identity. The Plains and the Human. Does not work. Arrogant Outlaw, Celesta Sanctifier, Component Collector, Candle Grove Witch, Stolen Vitality, Morning Patrol, Firmament Sage, Storm Skrillex, Bereaved Survivor, Vanquish the Hordes, Startle. Startle me, foil. Alright, end of row 2. Crawl from the Cellar, Hedgewitch Mask, Devious Cover-Up, Ritual Guardian, Famished Forgers, Shady Traveler. We got an Arcane Infusion, Obsessive Astronomer, Hound Tamer, and a Lord of the Forsaken. Ooh, daytime. Alright. Row 3. Defense Straight, Elation, Bird Admirer, Fading Hope, Infernal Grasp, Spellrune Painter, and a Rem Carolus, Stalwart Slayer. That's kind of cool. Another day. What does that help? I need a knight. Or is the back? Is the back a knight? Oh, the back's a knight. Yeah, this is bothering me. Okay, good enough. Jeez, I'm bad at this. Geist Wave, Return, Eccentric Farmer, Moonrage, Tavern Ruffian. Then we get a Necro Synthesis, Join the Dance, Dryads Revival, Jareen Corrupted Bishop. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Opponent, Crawl, Timberland, Vampire, Silversmith, Famished, Morning, Loyal, Griff, A Rite of Oblivion, Kessig, Naturalist, and Unnatural Growth with a Ritual of Hope foil. That's pretty. That's pretty. Devious, Duel, Shipwreck, No Way, Bramble, Revenge, Clarion, Raise, Shady, Hungry for More, Obsessive Astronomer, Bereaved Survivor, Rite of Harmony, with an Island. Bump the camera. Excitement. Stuffed Bear. Electric Revelation. Eaten Alive. Festival Crasher. Bait Hook. Scab Wrangler. I like how that one's. Burly Breaker. Curse of Surveillance. A mountain and a ooze. Flip the Switch, Locked in the Cemetery, Burn the Accursed, Tireless Hauler, Blood Tithe Collector, Clear Shot, Diagraph Rebirth. You got the Smoldering Egg. Whoa, that's funny. Yeah, well, you can tell one's a foil. And it's got a weird line down the middle. What the Yeah, it's got a line in the foil. Weird. Okay. Come on, Wizards. What's your quality issues with foils, guys? Is that your solution to it bending? Is to cut the foil so that it doesn't have the same tension on the card? I don't know. Dawnheart Rejuvenator. Candlegrove Witch. Amholt Harrier. Tavern Ruffian. He's scary. Don't fight him in an arm wrestle. Dualcraft. Seize the Storm. Flame Channeler. Ooh. That's fancy. And Olivia's Midnight Ambush. Maybe I should have put the lands on the other side of the foils so that I wouldn't have to rearrange them every single time to put them down. Whatever. Alright. Secret, Bat, Flare, Otherworld, Hobbling, Voldaren Stinger, Lunark Veteran. So we got an Ominous Roost, Dawnheart Wardens, Bladebane Scoundrel, and a Sereth the Viper's Fang. With the plains. Insect. Alright. Novice. Neonate. Blood Pact. Shadow Beast. Brimstone. Ecstatic. Turn the Earth. Dawnheart Mentor. Village Watch. Champion of the Perished. Mountain Vampire. 2 more after this for this box. Almost to the end. Bounding Wolf, Rotten, Revolving Miles, Woohoo, Unruly Mob, Gale Drifter, got a Morbid Opportunist, a Flesh Taker, a Death Bonnet Sprout, and a Hallowed Respite. Plains and a Zombie. Okay, one after this. So we got a Larder Zombie, a Diagraph Horde, Path, Thraben, Geist Wave, Mounted Dread Knight. Is that any good? That's okay. Candle Trap, Moon Raider Slash, Defenestrate, Bird Admirer, Cathcar's Call, Cathartic Pyre, Sunrise Cavalier, and Denic, Pious Apprentice. Denic, Pious Apparition. Alright, last one in this box. Let's see. Oh yeah. This is the one right here. Homestead. Eccentric. Vivisection. Defend. Mysterious Tome. Catilda. Dawnheart Prime. Protection from werewolves. Swamp. And a Governee Trapper. Oh, that's pretty good. I don't think we got any of the high value rares, but don't know yet. I haven't even really looked. Gotta check that out now, probably. Alright, let's go back through this. We got Deserted, Hallowed Respite, Champion, Seraph, Rockvale, Smoldering Egg, Curse of Surveillant, Rite of Harmony, Unnatural Growth, Jaren, Rem Carolus, Lord of the Forsaken, Vanquish the Horde, Grafted Identity, Curse of Leeches, Wake to Slaughter, Slaughter Specialist, Briarbridge Tracker, Can't Stay Away, Suspicious Stowaway, Sungold, Consuming Blob, Burn Down the House, Dire Strain Rampage, Liesa, Willowgeist, Primal Adversary, Curse of Shaken Faith, Croaking Counterpart, Bloodline Culling, and Hostile Hotel. Alright guys, take it easy. See you next box.